friends and my little angels. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good and safe at home. Wash your hands frequently and eat healthy foods. Okay? Today we are going to enjoy a new rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Two Little Dicky Birds. Okay? Before start the rhyme, we have to identify the objects. Okay? Now tell me, what are these? These are birds. Yes, birds can fly. Yes, very nice children. So these are cute little birds. Okay? So let's start the rhyme. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Yes? Shall we do it again? Okay. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Very nice, children. Practice at home. And I'll be coming soon with a new rhyme. Till then, bye-bye.